Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged from any charging source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly to detach the battery from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the battery while pressing the button to release it. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to inspect the battery compartment for any dust or debris. Using your soft cloth, clean the area to ensure a good connection with the new battery. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Now take your new Dyson V8 battery and align it with the battery compartment. Slide it in until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. To double check, gently tug on the battery to ensure it is firmly attached. Next, we will secure the battery with the T15 Torx screws. You will find 2 screws at the base of the battery compartment. Using your T15 screwdriver, carefully insert and tighten these screws. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the threads. After securing the battery, it's a good idea to perform a quick internal clean of your vacuum. Remove the dust canister and empty it, then wash it under warm water. Ensure it is completely dry before reattaching it to the vacuum. This maintenance step will help prolong the life of your Dyson V8. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Once everything is cleaned and reassembled, plug your Dyson V8 back into the charger. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. This will ensure optimal performance from your new battery. Finally, if you ever need assistance with repairs, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your Dyson maintenance. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance and timely battery changes will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.